Today we're diving into something absolutely wild. I'm talking about combining three of the most powerful AI models on the planet to create SEO content that ranks like crazy. We're talking Minimax 2.1, Claude 4.5, and Gemini 3.0 working together like a dream team. Look, SEO used to take forever. You'd spend hours researching keywords, days writing content, and then you'd need a designer to make it look good. But what if I told you that you could do all of that in less than an hour? What if I told you that these three AI models could handle everything from strategy to writing to design? That's exactly what we're doing today, and stick around because I'm going to walk you through a live example where we build a complete SEO optimized page using this exact stack. Here's how this stack works. Each AI model has a specific job. Gemini 3.0 is your strategist. It analyzes search intent, builds topic clusters, and maps out the entire content structure. Think of it as your SEO brain. Then Claude 4.5 comes in as your writer. It creates trust-building, conversion-focused copy that Google loves. It understands EEAT. It knows how to write for humans and search engines at the same time. And finally, Minimax 2.1 is your designer and developer. It generates stunning visuals, writes clean code, and builds layouts that look professional. And this combination is absolutely insane because each model does what it does best. Let me show you why these recent updates make this stack so powerful. Minimax M2.1 just dropped in December 2025, and it's a beast. This thing excels at multi-language coding and web design. It crushes full-stack development and outperforms other models in Vibe benchmarks. That means when you need a landing page, Minimax delivers code that actually works. No broken layouts, no missing elements, just clean professional designs. And then you've got Claude 4.5, which rolled out in November 2025. What's crazy about Claude 4.5 is the enhanced reasoning. It thinks through problems better than almost any other model. When you're creating SEO content, trust is everything. Google wants to see expertise, experience, authority, and trustworthiness. Claude nails this. It writes like a real expert, not like a robot. Gemini 3.0 came out in November 2025 too. This thing is a monster for multimodal reasoning. It can handle complex planning, and the Gemini agent feature lets it handle multi-step tasks like SEO research automatically. So when you need to analyze search intent or build out a content strategy, Gemini does the heavy lifting. Now let me show you exactly how we use this stack for SEO. Let's say we want to create content. We want to rank for something like AI automation for business growth. Here's the exact process. First, we go to Gemini 3.0. We give it a prompt like this: create an SEO strategy for the keyword AI automation for business growth. Include search intent analysis, topic clusters, content structure, and related keywords that will help establish topical authority. Gemini spits out a complete strategy. It tells us what people are searching for, what questions they're asking, what subtopics we need to cover, and how to structure the content. Once we have that strategy from Gemini, we take it to Claude 4.5. Our prompt looks like this: write a 2,000-word article on AI automation for business growth. Claude takes that prompt and creates incredible content. It's not generic, it's not robotic, it reads like a real person wrote it, it's got personality, it's got depth, and it's optimized for search. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with AI but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. Now we've got our strategy from Gemini and our content from Claude, but we're not done yet. We need a page that looks amazing. This is where Minimax 2.1 comes in. We take the content Claude wrote and we feed it to Minimax with a prompt like this: design a professional landing page using this content. Include a hero section with a strong headline, benefit-driven copy, and a clear call to action. Use modern design principles and make it mobile responsive. Output the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. Minimax generates the entire page. We're talking code that you can copy and paste directly into your website. It looks professional, it's conversion optimized, and it's ready to go live. This is why this stack is so powerful. Gemini handles the strategy, so you know exactly what to create. Claude writes the content so it ranks and converts. Minimax designs the page so it looks incredible. You're doing the work of an entire marketing team in less than an hour. And the best part, each model is doing what it does best. You're not forcing one AI to do everything. Let me give you another example. We start with Gemini. Create a content cluster strategy around AI tools for marketing. Include pillar content ideas, supporting articles, and keyword targets. Gemini maps out the entire hub. Then we take each piece to Claude to write detailed, helpful content. Then we use Minimax to design each page with clean layouts and professional styling. Now you've got a complete content cluster that's optimized for SEO, written by Claude, designed by Minimax, and strategized by Gemini. This is how you build topical authority. So how do you actually access these models? For Minimax, you go to platform.minimax.io and you can get API access. For Claude, you head to anthropic.com.api and sign up. And for Gemini, you can use the Gemini app or Google AI Studio. It's all free to get started. Here are some pro tips for using this stack. First, always start with Gemini for strategy. Don't skip this step. If you jump straight into writing without a plan, you're not going to rank. Second, when you're using Claude, be specific in your prompts. Tell it exactly what kind of tone you want and what audience you're writing for. Third, with Minimax, don't be afraid to iterate. If the first design isn't perfect, tweak your prompt and try again. Another thing that makes this stack insane is how it handles updates and trends. Let's say there's a new AI tool that everyone's talking about. You can use Gemini to analyze the search trends, Claude to write a timely article, and Minimax to create a comparison page. You can have that content live in hours, not days. That speed gives you a massive advantage. And this stack isn't just for blog posts. You can use it for landing pages, sales pages, email sequences, lead magnets, everything. Gemini plans the structure. Claude writes the actual templates and guide. Minimax designs the PDF or landing page. You've got a complete funnel built in one session. If you want to rank number one, get more customers, and actually win with AI SEO, this is your next move. We're not talking theory or recycled tips. This is the exact system we're using right now. Real workflows, weekly live support, clear action steps you can actually follow. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we break things down live, fix real problems, and help you move faster with zero guesswork. Hit the link in the description. Join the SEO Elite Circle today. Look, the AI landscape is moving fast. New models drop every month, but this stack of Minimax, Claude, and Gemini is going to stay powerful because each one is built by a different company, pushing the limits of what AI can do. Minimax is crushing design and code. Claude is dominating reasoning and writing. Gemini is leading in planning and multimodal tasks. Together, they're unstoppable. So here's what you need to do right now. Go grab access to these three models. Start with a simple project. Pick one piece of content you want to create. Use Gemini to plan it, Claude to write it, and Minimax to design it. See the results for yourself. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button,